Hello everyone, today we're taking your t-shirt and sticker design skills to new heights with a powerful and streamlined workflow. First up, we'll tap into the cutting-edge FLUX Pro model using Krea AI to craft a stunning image and polish things off in Photoshop, where we will clean up and remove the background. Whether you're just starting out or you are a seasoned designer, this step-by-step guide is packed with tips and tricks. So grab your coffee and let's unlock your creativity. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. Let's get started. We will create our design using Krea AI. To do so, copy the link from below in the description or type it in yourself to navigate to the website. Once you're on the website, either sign in if you already have an account or sign up. You can choose now between continue with Google or typing in your own email address and continue with your email. I have a Google account and I'm already signed up for it, so I'm just going to click on continue with Google. Once I'm signed in, you can see that FLUX already shows up in the middle, so we just need to click on generate images. Now that the FLUX page has opened up for us, we can generate our design. To do so, just copy the prompt from the description below or use your own prompt and type it in down here and press generate. I will create the gaming style t-shirt with a cute little star and the text below 1 up. Now that Krea is done generating the images for us, we can choose between 4 designs. Choose your favorite to continue with. To download the image, just hover above it and click the little arrow on the right top corner. I will choose number 4. Once your download is done, navigate to the top of the page and click on the Enhance tab. Here, you can navigate to the folder where you saved it or drag and drop in your image. I will drag and drop it in. Once the image is loaded, you can choose by which factor you want to upscale it. I want to upscale it by a factor of 2, which will create a 2K image, 2048 to 2048 pixel. To upscale, just click on Enhance. Now that our upscale is done, we can compare both images by moving the little slider in the middle. And if we are satisfied with the result, we can download the image by navigating down here and clicking the little arrow again. Once we have downloaded our image, we are done with Krea and we can move over to Photoshop to finalize our design. Okay, now that we are in Photoshop, we need to remove the background from our design to have it as a clean cutout image so we can use it as a sticker printed on a t-shirt without having the background in the way. To do that, do the following. Go to the left and click on the Object Selection tool. Once you have this tool selected, you can hover above your object, in this case our design, and click. Photoshop will now make a pre-selection of your object. And once that's done, we move up here to the top menu and select Cloud Detailed Result, and then select and mask to refine the selection. This will open up a new menu on the right side where we can fine-tune our selection. You can change the view mode on top here, where you have a few options. I will fine-tune my selection and then output the image. Press OK, which will bring you back to the main viewport. In the main viewport, hover above your selection now, right-click and say Layer via Copy. This will create a new layer with your design and without the background. To check that, you can disable the background layer, create a new layer, move it beneath your design, and press Shift Backspace to fill the layer, choose black and press OK. As you can see, Photoshop did a great job removing the background and cutting out our design. Now you can disable your background again and export your design in a file format that supports transparency. In my case, I will choose PNG, since PNG file format has transparency support and is looseless, so we don't lose any quality of our image. To do that, go up here to File, Export, and click Quick Export as PNG. Once you have saved your image, we are done and you're ready to go. That's a wrap for this tutorial on creating quick t-shirt designs using Krea AI and Photoshop. I hope you had as much fun watching as I did creating it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment, and share it with your fellow creatives. Stay tuned for more tutorials coming your way. Until then, keep those creative juices flowing and happy designing. Thanks for watching.